Hey Chris, Chem from Tadabase here. So I just wanted to go over your request, and I understand that you have records coming in or being updated from a webhook, and what you want to do is update the connected user records field to something based on a condition. So to do this, what I'm going to do in this example is update the connected user's radio field to true when a webhook inserts a new record. So to do this, I'll show you my the catch site here. Um, in the first step, I'm going to make sure run equations is enabled. This will also make sure that table rules will run after a webhook is triggered. Back in the app, I'll show you the rule that I'm actually using. I'm using a pipe, the Tadabase Rest API pipe. You can install this by clicking Install Pipe. And if you haven't used this before, you'll install it and then go into Settings, API Keys, and generate a new API key and copy the app ID, the key, and the secret into the pipe's global parameters here. One app ID, the app key, and the app secret. Next, in the data builder, we have the rule to um, update the table ID of the user, which can be found right here. This is the table ID of the user. And then in the field ID will be field 37. This is the radio field that we want to update. You can find the field ID by editing the field and going in and seeing the field ID at the end of the URL. Then the next parameter is the field value, which is going to be the custom value of true. And the record ID will be the record value of the connection to the user in the child table. So, which is this field here, field 36. This way, what I do is I go into another app to trigger the webhook. Test with Chris. So when I add a new record in this app, it will insert a record into this app as well and run this table rule, which updates the radio, this connection to the user, the radio to true. And then if you wanted to, you can add a condition so that under it, this table rule will only run under a specific condition.